Here's a little clip, you guys, I wanted to show you. I buy these dog treats, and they all come in like a, you know, the regular, just looking like this. Like there's no particular mold for them or whatever. But once in a while, I come across ones that have a different look to them. I wanted to show you. I think it's kind of funny. Like this one here, it looks like a shoe. This one here, I'm not sure. Maybe you guys can tell me what you think it looks like. I don't know. And then this looks like Batman or something. I don't know. With his cape. Like here's his cape. Weird shaped dog treats. And this looks like a dog. See, it just kind of looks like a doggy. I don't know. Little ears, a big snout. I don't know. I find weird shapes and everything. Even in shadows. I could actually do some artwork by just looking at some shadows. You don't believe the things that I see in just shadows. It's kind of fun, though. Okay, on to my video. He's not all that mobile these days. But he's doing good, you guys. The gunshot wound just slowed him down, and of course, you know, I've talked about the other problems. But today he's doing good. He's having a good day. A good day, Zeus. A good day. And I don't need to run Zeus. He gets his heart rate up just by what he's doing. He's an older dog, so a fast-paced jog is good. Ari's more of a puppy, so I kind of run her a good mile or two, and then we slow back down to a jog, down to a fast-paced walk, to a walk. But Zeus is enjoying it out here today. Zeus! Hello, boy. Come on, Zeus. Get your walk on. Come on. Look at that. What's that? You hear Zeus? She basically shampooed your whole head, and I missed it. Ari Bridge. Ari Bridge. I'm going swimming today because we have snakes over there at Badger and we can't go walking over there anymore. What a bummer, girl. Really gonna miss it over there. You want to get a stick? Somebody lost their collar. It looks like a flea collar. Somebody lost their flea collar. Put it under the tree. Hate these old pine trees. That's where all those ticks fall from. Not deer ticks, but tree ticks and pine ticks. All right, Aria. Let's go, girl. Go swimming. Get your exercise. Get out of there. Don't eat those snails. Come on, get. Come on. Go get the stick. Here we go, Ari. Ari, look. Go get it. Go get it. Go swimming. Ew. Water too cold today? Is the water too cold? Let's find a bigger stick, huh? Alright, I got a big stick now. Look at that one. Oh boy, you're so excited. Oh boy. Ready? Go get it. Come on, girl, get a stick. I remember when you were afraid to swim. You're a big girl now. Big girl. Give me that stick. Go give it to me. Give me a stick. Give me that stick. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that big stick. I'm gonna get it. You can't get that big old stick. It's too big. That's a tree. Oh. There's the blackbird. He's mad. Hello, blackbird. There he goes. Ooh, he's swooping down on me. He's got a nest nearby. I better get out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, he's attacking me. Shit. Oh God, he's coming after me. The bird's out to get me. Here he comes. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Those two birds right there are attacking me. Ari, what's that? What's that? There it is. Over here. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Silly girl.